The Altitude gas fireplace is the perfect balance of style and great value. Enjoy a full view experience featuring unobstructed views of the vibrant flames and glowing embers. The fireplace is available in two sizes, 36-inch and 42-inch. With the Altitude, you don't need much to make a statement. This fireplace includes a realistic split oak log set and full view safety barrier for an impactful enhancement to your space. Enjoy it the way it comes or customize the Altitude to suit your own unique style with optional decorative panels, trims, and fronts. Decorative panel options include Miro Flame porcelain reflective radiant panels, black illusion glass, Westminster standard and herringbone, and Newport standard. Plus, choose between a selection of fronts and trims, including the Zen front available in charcoal and black. Have your choice of our finishing trim kits offered in charcoal, black, gunmetal, and copper. With the optional remote, conveniently control the fireplace's power, heat output, flame height, and more. A highlight of the Altitude is the optional heat management systems that are available so you can effectively control the heat. This includes our hot air distribution kit or universal heat management. Napoleon's UHM system allows for true design flexibility of your space with the ability to install a TV above the fireplace. Enjoy understated elegance with the Napoleon Altitude.